welcome to Seekho. Let's talk about the top 10 news developments for the day under 2 minutes for judiciary aspirants. And we start with the national news first. सबसे पहले एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग डेवलपमेंट की बात करते हैं. सो एक एस्ट्रोफिजिसिस्ट है बाय द नेम ऑफ मल्हार केंदुरकर, जो कि एक ऑब्जर्वेशनल एस्ट्रोनॉमर है. ही इज बेस्ड आउट ऑफ कैनेडा. So he has gotten or is honored with a rare celestial tag because an asteroid, it has been named after his surname. So it is asteroid 541801 Kendurkar. Moving on, next is a sports related development. So 17-member Indian team is all ready and is participating in the World Games 2025. ये sporting event है 7th August से start हो चुका है. This is going to continue till 17th of August. And there is going to be a total of 34 sporting categories and 60 disciplines. Third is an appointment related development. So 1995 batch के एक IFS officer हैं. His name is Sandeep Arya. He is the next ambassador of our country to Bhutan. Moving on, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he recently inaugurated the Kartavya Bhavan in New Delhi. This is essentially advancing the centre's plan to house all the key important ministries and departments under one premise or structure. So all the key ministries and departments, be it of home affairs, external affairs, then we have petroleum and natural gas, so on and so forth, the MSMEs, panchayat and rural development, all of these are housed under one premise. Next is a very important development. So recently the Delhi Legislative Assembly has become the first legislative assembly to be completely powered by solar energy. Now we'll proceed and talk about a development from Assam, where the Chief Minister, he launched the Mukhyamantri Nijut Moina 2.0 scheme. ये scheme essentially है for the empowerment of young girls, so that उनकी जो school से drop out rates है वो कम हो जाए और उनकी enrollment in higher education and at graduate level education also it increases and enhances. And lastly, for the national news, Giriraj Singh, he launched his book which is titled Carbon Footprint Assessment in the Indian Handloom Sector. And इसी के साथ let's talk about the top international news developments. So Italy, it has recently given final approval to a $15.6 billion project to build the world's longest suspension bridge, which is connecting the island of Sicily to the region of Calabria, which is on the tip of Italy's boot. Moving on, now let's talk about cricket. So Cricket Australia has officially announced a new 4-year deal with Australia's oldest bank, which is the Westpac, and this is now going to become the principal partner of the cricket team, bringing an end to the Commonwealth Bank's 37 years of sponsorship. And lastly, let's wrap up with an important day. The day concerned is the National Handloom Day, जो कि 7th August को commemorate होता है annually. That's all we have for the day. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe until I see you tomorrow.